Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today, this is what we're doing. We are doing the 60s. So, I would love for you to join me and watch how I make this 60s eye look, whole face look, how I do it. And thanks for spending some time with me. I truly, truly appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you. So, just sit back and enjoy. Okay, let's get started. I've already put my foundation, my concealer, and my contour on. And so now let's start with the eyes. I'm going to do my brows first. In the 60s, ladies wore just natural brows. So I'm just going to do my brows just quickly. I'm not going to do too much to them. Sorry, I got my fan going. It is hot, 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 hot. September is here and I'm looking forward to some cooler weather. Of course, cooler weather won't be here for about a month, maybe a month and a half, so. There we go. Just some basic brows. And the hair I am wearing, the wig I am wearing, I don't know what it is. I bought it off of Macari. It was brand new in a bag, but it is not an expensive wig and I did not pay a lot of money for it. I decided to keep it for occasions just like this. This is the closest hair I thought I could find to the 60s. Just kind of straight part in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to put primer on my eyes. I'm using my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. These are actually, they're not eyeshadow primers, they are eyeshadows. So they are, it's perfect for this look because I'm not using a lot of shadow in this look. Not all over my eyes. Put my primer on for my shadow. There we go. And there we go. Now, the eyes. Let me zoom you in. Okay, I think this is a good spot. In the 60s, I'm basing my look on Sharon Tate, Twiggy, and Edie Sedgewick. They all drew in a deep set crease, and they used usually a brown eyeliner, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm using the Jante Blue eyeliner in dark brown, and so I'm going to draw in a deep crease. I will probably get real quiet, so my eye's watering and I'm not even near the eye. My goodness. So I will keep drawing this in and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. I got these on. I have to tell you, it took me a little while with crepey eyelids. It didn't want to draw, well, with this pencil, did not want to draw on real smooth. But I got it, and this pencil doesn't really feel like it drags or pulls, but it's a nice creamy pencil, but it's just the skin it's working with. It's kind of interesting, isn't it? I'm not hating it. I won't be bringing this back into fashion, but I'm not hating it. Next, I have decided bright colors were in the 60s, so I'm going to go with a purple eyeshadow, but also frosted was in, so I'm going to kind of use a couple colors on my eyelids. I'm using my Natasha Denona. This is the Mini Lila palette. I'm going to use Boysenberry, and I am probably going to put linen on top to give it some shine, because you know me. So let's do that. Now I'm putting, let's get my Boysenberry. I'm going to put that all over the lid up to this line I drew. So guys, let's talk TV in the 60s. I was born in 1964. So therefore, I do remember television shows from the 60s. What were your favorites, if you remember them? Bewitched was my favorite. Also loved I Dream of Jeannie. I loved Gilligan's Island, Green Acres, Petticoat Junction, Beverly Hillbillies. I'm going to go over it now with linen. Yeah, I loved those shows back in the 60s. My first love was Davy Jones and the Monkees. I was in love with him for my third birthday. My sister Gail bought me a Monkees album. That's how much I loved Davy Jones when I was 3. I guess I went around saying I was going to marry him. I did get to see him in concert, Monkees in Miami at Flagler Racetrack. That's where it was. It was at the racetrack. And it was in 1986 or 7. But while I was living in Miami. There we go. I think I'm going to, I don't know if I like that linen on top of this purple, but I think I'm going to stick with it. I think it's okay for what we're doing today. Now, next, on my upper lid, I am going to use that same brown pencil and draw a line. I'm going to do a small one. I don't want a big liner. I know a lot of the ladies drew the lines and then had the wing, and the wing met up with the crease line. I'm not going to do that. I would like to think that back in the day I wouldn't have done that. So I'm just going to draw a nice line on my upper lid. I do feel like I lost a lot of my brightness without putting that linen on. I'm going to go back over that with the Boysenberry again. I'm not happy with that. Boysenberry. Yeah, I like the purple. Okay, all right. Now, for the lower lash line, I am taking a black liquid liner, and all three of those ladies I'm kind of basing my look on, drew on false lashes underneath. So Twiggy and Edie drew them on pretty thick. Sharon Tate drew them on more lifelike. I don't know how mine's going to turn out. We're just going to start and see what we come up with. I'm going to start in the center, just so I can know this. The center's going to be straight down. The edges are going to be out to the sides. If that makes sense, you'll see what I'm doing. And here's where our wrinkles fall in. I am not even near my eye and it wants to water. I don't know what the deal is with it today. Okay, I just used a liner that was drying up and I took it all off because it looked horrible, and I got a new liner. This one is Kat Von D's tattoo liner. I hope this one's not dried out. It was brand new. I just took the plastic off of it. So let's hope this one is in much better shape and I can get a decent looking liner going. Oh yeah, much better. Oh my goodness. Difference between night and day. I'm going to stick with the Sharon Tate natural looking one. Natural lashes. Oh yeah, this goes on nice. The KVD tattoo liner has always been my favorite. It goes on so smoothly, even over wrinkled skin, and it is performing beautifully. There we go. Much better, much better. Now I'm going to put a bit of mascara on. Now I'm going to add false lashes. False lashes were huge back in the 60s. And I am going to put I got mine from AOA Studios. These are the Jackie lashes. So I'm going to use these again. Okay, there's my eyes all done. I think they look pretty good. Next, we're going to put a little blush on. So, these are some big lashes. If I were going to wear these out in the real world, I would definitely cut them down. But these are perfect. These are perfect for today. So I'm going to use my color wheel to do a little blush. And I think I am going to go with this little peachy pink color. I'm not going to use too much blush, but in the 70s it still was kind of a doll look. So just the apples on my cheeks. And get a little color. There we go. Apples on the cheeks. Now, lips. In the 60s, white lipstick came out. I don't own any white lipstick. I don't foresee buying any white lipstick. Don't think I would use it enough. But pale shades were in. It wasn't the deep colors. It was pale shades. So I've got my Tarte Park Avenue Princess in nude, but I also pulled out my lip gloss, my Lorac Alter Ego lip gloss in Barista. This was a limited edition one, so I think I don't have a nude liner. I'm not one to really wear nude lipsticks, so I didn't have a nude liner, so I'm just going to put this straight on. There we go, but I think I'm going to put the lip gloss on top of it. I think this is more pink. There we go. There is my look for the 60s. So guys, what do you think? I think it turned out pretty good. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate that as well. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I would love to know what your favorite 60s television show was, because that's my favorite time. I still watch some of these shows on TV, so just let me know what your favorite is. And guys, thanks for spending some time with me. I truly appreciate it.